Are you looking for the best baby crib for your nursery? In this video, we're taking a look at 5 of the best baby cribs available on Amazon, chosen based on design, materials, safety certifications, useful features, and overall customer feedback. Whether you want extra storage, a modern design, or a convertible crib that can grow with your child, there's something here for almost every nursery. We've included Amazon links in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and availability. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Graco Hadley 5-in-1 Convertible Crib with Drawer. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Graco Hadley 5-in-1 Convertible Crib with Drawer. One of the biggest advantages of the Hadley is its built-in full-size storage drawer underneath the crib. It gives you convenient extra space for blankets, bedding, clothes, diapers, and other nursery essentials without taking up additional floor space. The crib is also designed to adapt as your child grows. It can transition from a standard crib into a toddler bed, day bed, and full-size bed depending on the conversion setup and accessories you choose. Another useful feature is its 4 adjustable mattress height positions. You can keep the mattress higher when your baby is younger, then lower it as they become more active and begin standing. With its practical storage, convertible design, and clean appearance, the Graco Hadley is a strong option for parents who want to get more long-term use from a single crib. Number 4. Dream on Me Synergy 5-in-1 Convertible Crib. Coming in at number 4 is the Dream on Me Synergy 5-in-1 Convertible Crib. If you want a simple crib with plenty of versatility, the Synergy is definitely worth considering. It features a clean, traditional design made to fit easily into a wide range of nursery styles. The crib is constructed with solid pine wood and is available in multiple finishes, making it easier to match with your existing nursery furniture and decor. Like many of the best convertible cribs, the Synergy is designed to grow along with your child. It can convert from a crib into a toddler bed, day bed, and full-size bed with the appropriate conversion components. You also get a 3-position adjustable mattress support system, so you can change the mattress height as your baby grows. Overall, the Dream on Me Synergy is a practical choice for parents looking for a straightforward convertible crib without an overly complicated design. At number 3, we have the Delta Children Essex 4-in-1 Convertible Crib. What really makes the Essex stand out is its stylish mid-century inspired design. The combination of the bright crib frame and contrasting natural finish legs gives it a more modern appearance than many traditional baby cribs. But this crib isn't only about looks. Its convertible design allows it to transition from a crib into a toddler bed, day bed, and sofa, helping you continue using it as your child gets older. The crib also features an adjustable mattress support system, so you can lower the mattress height as your baby becomes taller and more mobile. For parents concerned about product safety, the Essex is designed to meet applicable safety standards and is tested for substances like lead and other potentially harmful elements. If you want a crib that combines modern styling with practical everyday functionality, the Essex deserves a spot on your shortlist. Taking the number 2 spot is the Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1 Convertible Crib. The Hudson is especially appealing if you prefer a clean, contemporary nursery. Its rounded spindles, open design, and Scandinavian-inspired appearance give it a premium and minimalist look. One of its most notable features is its Green Guard Gold certification, which focuses on low chemical emissions and healthier indoor air quality. The Hudson is also designed to grow with your child. It converts from a crib into a toddler bed and day bed, and one major convenience is that the toddler bed conversion kit is included with the crib. That means you won't necessarily have to search for a separate conversion kit when your child is ready to move out of the standard crib configuration. It also includes multiple mattress height settings, helping you adjust the crib as your baby grows. For parents who value modern design, thoughtful construction, and lower emissions materials, the Babyletto Hudson is one of the most premium choices on our list. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Graco Benton 5-in-1 Convertible Crib. The Benton earns our top position because it offers a strong balance of practicality, classic styling, adjustability, and long-term versatility. Its simple design works well in both modern and traditional nurseries, making it an easy choice if you don't want something that will quickly look outdated. The crib features 4 adjustable mattress height positions, allowing you to change the mattress level as your baby grows. It is also designed to transition beyond the crib stage, with configurations that can include a toddler bed, day bed, and full-size bed, depending on the conversion accessories used. Another important highlight is its Green Guard Gold certification, which makes it an appealing option for parents who pay close attention to indoor air quality and chemical emissions. The Graco Benton may not have the built-in storage of the Hadley or the premium modern styling of the Babyletto Hudson, but its combination of simplicity, versatility, and value makes it our #1 pick for this list. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best baby cribs on Amazon. Which one would you choose for your nursery? Let us know in the comments below. We've included links to all 5 cribs in the description, so check those out for the latest pricing, available colors, and additional product information. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming buyer's guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.